Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi phone guys screen automatic rotate problem, how to fix and solve. So guys, when you own any device and when you own guys any app on your Redmi phone device and friends your screen rotate automatic. So friends, how to fix screen rotate problem on Redmi mobile. In this video friends we will talk about one by one, step by step. Friends, you can see when I on YouTube app, friends you can see screen rotate automatic. So then how to fix screen rotate problem. So first of all, open your phone setting friends. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Redmi mobile. Friends, click on Redmi mobile display setting. After on display setting friends, you can see there are many setting: dark mode, light mode setting, brightness setting, reading mode setting, text size. Friends, you want to change text size, you can change from here. Let's click here auto rotate screen on your device. Auto rotate is on, so friends you will have to turn off your auto rotate, and friends your problem will solve. Friends, you can see YouTube screen will not rotate automatic. Friends, you can on again your YouTube app on your device, and friends you can check screen will not rotate automatic on a device. So like that friends, we can solve screen rotate problem on Redmi mobile. And friends, you want to rotate your phone screen, so you can rotate. After on auto rotate setting friends, click here, and friends if you click YouTube friends, you can rotate your YouTube screen, and you can use your screen rotate setting. So like that friends, we can use auto rotate setting and we can fix auto rotate power. And friends, you can see when device in VR. So friends, you want to on your VR setting, you can on and you can use from here. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to fix and how to use auto rotate screen setting on Redmi mobile. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.